square, this angle will become as 45 degrees. Okay. So whenever you see the shortest distance, it means that from this point, it is touching this point. Okay. And you need to solve a problem on this one. So write down the problem in your observation notes. A point P is in the first quadrant. Its shortest distance from the intersection of point HP and VP. Okay. So where the HP and VP meets, from this point, the shortest distance they are saying. This point, the shortest distance they are saying. VP 70 mm. They told that it is 70 mm. Shortest distance, it is 70 mm. And it is equidistance. Equidistance is nothing but equal distance. Okay. So this is equal distance. Whatever may be this distance, this is the same distance. Equidistance they are saying. Planes, and draw the projection of the point and determine its distance from HP and VP. So this was the question asked in the essay question. Essay question A bit and B bit, they once asked this question in the mid-1 exam. So if you see this one, this is the same principle we will be using and we have to draw the projection. And they mentioned that this is the shortest distance. This shortest distance is 70 mm they mentioned. Okay. So how you have to draw is, first you have to draw the XY plane. And with respect to XY, you have to draw the X1, Y1. Next, you have to draw the X1 and Y1. And mark the center as O. And from this distance, because they told that it is equidistance. Because in the problem they mentioned it is equidistance and shortest distance. Shortest distance is nothing but this point and this point I am joining directly. If I am joining these 2 points directly, if it is a square has equidistance, so in the equidistance it will be same. Okay. Then you have to keep your protractor, mark 45 degrees line, extend the line, join from the point and measure it till the 70. Suppose 70 comes here, then erase this line and mark this point as P double dash. Because in the question they asked that letter P, the point P. In the problem they told that point P. So side view of a point, capital letter P will become as P double dash. Okay, P double dash, and this is my distance. Whatever may be this distance, the same distance will be transferred till here. Measure this distance. This distance is equal to this distance. What are the distance it will take to reach X1, Y1 line? Same distance you have to give it to here. And measure this one as P dash. Measure this as P dash. And because they have told that it is equidistance, whatever may be this distance, it will become same distance like this. Or else what you have to do is, if you don't know this distance, what you have to do is, generally what we do is, extend this line. From the P double dash, extend this line to bottom. And take your compass and measure this distance. This is a radius and this is your center. This is a complete radius and this is your center of your compass. Place your pencil here and then draw the curve. If you draw the curve, it will take to the same position. Okay, and mark this point as P. Why we have to take this one is, once watch my video. So this is your side view. So what happens is, when I am rotating like this, this angle is 90. So whenever I am rotating like this taken curve, this is the radius. And I am taking the curve. So that's the reason whenever I want to make the projection from this distance, I have to make the projection like this. I have to take a compass and I have to draw my compass from here so that I will get the exact point from that. Okay, that's the reason we will take this thing. Okay, so once again I'm explaining, you have to draw this vertical line and then measure. This is the radius. Keep your pencil pointer here and draw the arc. This arc should touch the X1, Y1 line. From here, draw the horizontal line. Wherever it touch, from this point, you have to draw the horizontal line and project this line. If you measure exactly 49.5 mm and 49.5 mm. So it's nothing but the your H distance. Your H distance is 49.5 mm and your D distance. Your D distance is also 49.9, because in the problem already they told that it is a first quadrant. Whenever it is a first quadrant, H is positive. Whenever H is positive, it will be above XY line. Whenever D is positive, it will below